Hello, let's look at the difference between stay and live. Do you interchange them in your sentences? In this video, let's look at the clear difference between stay and live and how to use them correctly in sentences. We use stay for a temporal situation. Temporal situation. That means stay is used for short time. We use live for permanent situation. In other words, live is used if you are in a place for a long time. So, if you're referring to your home, use live. But if you're referring to a place you will be for a short time, use stay. Now, let's use this information to answer these questions. 1. I usually blank in London, but I am blank in Paris for now. What do you think about this? What should be here and here? I usually live in London. We use live because of this. Usually, this is what happens. So, live is the correct word here. I usually live in London, but I am staying. Present continuous tense. I am staying in Paris for now. For now is the reason why we use staying, because it's for a short time. Okay? Why usually is the reason why we use live here. It's for a long time. 2. She blank with her parents, but currently she is blank in a hostel. Let's consider the second part of the sentence first. The word hostel shows that it is for a short time. No one lives in a hostel, so here should be stay. She is staying in a hostel. Why this part of the sentence is where she lives. She lives with her parents. 3. They blank in Canada for many years. Having many years here shows that it is a long time situation. So for long time, use live. And it's in past tense, so we use lived. They lived in Canada for many years. 4. We blank at a hotel during the conference last week. Having hotel here shows that it is not a permanent stay. It was just for last week, so stay is the right word to use. We stayed, past tense. We stayed at a hotel during the conference last week. 5. He is blank with his friend until he finds an apartment. Here we have until he finds an apartment. That means he is with his friend for a short time. It is temporal. So he is staying with his friend until he finds an apartment. Okay? 6. Where do you blank? Here, the question is about where someone resides permanently. So, the correct word to use is live. Where do you live? 7. She blank in Tokyo, but she is blank in France for the weekend. Okay, let's look at the second part of the sentence. Having weekend here shows that it is for a short time, so stay should be used here. She is staying, present continuous tense. She is staying in France for the weekend. That means this is where she resides, okay? So she lives in Tokyo, but she is staying in France for the weekend. 8. I don't blank here. I'm just blank for a few days. Having few days here shows that it is for a short time. So I'm just staying for a few days. Staying. Now, this part of the sentence has to do with whether the person resides here or not. So the right word to use is live. I don't live here. I'm just staying for a few days. 9. They have been blank in that village since childhood. Since childhood tells us that it is for a long time. So the right word is live. They have been living in that village since childhood. 10. He blank in a rented apartment while building his house. While building his house shows that wherever he is now is for a short time. Okay, so he stays in a rented apartment while building his house. 11. We blank with our grandparents every holiday. Every holiday shows that it is for a short time. So, stay is the right word. We stay with our grandparents every holiday. 12. She is blank in a hotel because her house is under renovation. We have hotel here. Hotel is a place where you can be for a short time. So she is staying in a hotel because her house is under renovation. That's for a short time. 13. My uncle blank abroad, but he is currently blank with us. This part of the sentence tells us where my uncle resides. So live is the right word here. My uncle lives abroad, but he is currently blank with us. This part of the sentence shows us where he is currently for a short time. So stay is the right word. My uncle lives abroad, but he is currently staying with us. 14. They are blank with relatives for now. So what do you think it should be? They are staying with relatives for now, or they are living with relatives for now. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and watch out for my next grammar lesson.